Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is super exciting. It is another V-part wig and I've been loving these lately. So this one is from a company called INCOLOR. So let's go ahead and jump right into this review. So just want to say a special thank you to INCOLOR for sending over this unit. This is what the box is going to look like when you get it. Mine's a little destroyed. So you are going to get some goodies. And then of course you're going to get your wig. So it looks like we got some huge lashes. We have a silk scarf and wig caps. And for the start of the show, we do have a body wave, very long and beautiful body wave wig. This is beautiful. Wow. And again, like the V-part wigs typically are, there's no lace. You just have that, the hair right up to the edge of the V-part. And then you have your clips right alongside of the V-part that will clip down onto your hair. You have a clip right at the top just to make sure that the wig is laying flat. This is the one I forget to use from time to time, but I'm going to use it this time because I want to make sure the wig is laying nice and flat. And then you have your ear tab combs. These combs make sure that the wig stays flat around your ears. And then you have your elastic bands. I usually put them to the tightest setting. And then of course you have your comb in the back. The cap is really nice. It's a stretchable, breathable mesh. And so that's really great. The density on this feels really, really nice, you guys. And the length is gorgeous. I'm going to use my, what is this? Remington crimping iron. I'm gonna use my Remington crimping iron and crimp this unit and see how that goes. All right, you guys, so as you can see, my little braid pattern, which is so ghetto right now, but I'm going to just take a little bit for leave out, and then I'm going to braid down the rest that I don't need, and just make sure that I just have a really small slither in the shape of a V for leave out for this wig. So I decided that that braid was just way too big and awkward. I needed to braid it down a little tighter. So I took it out and just re-braided it a lot tighter so that it wouldn't leave a hump in my V-part wig. So now I'm just brushing down the sides of my hair. These braids are so old, you guys. I just wanted to brush my hair down because you know with the V-part wig, you can't use a wig cap. Then I started installing the V-part and just making sure that when I'm clipping it in, it's positioned to where I want it. You might have to adjust and readjust it a couple times, lift it up, make sure that it's in the right position so that, you know, you can have it where you want it. So you're going to want to make sure you're using all of your combs for these V-part wigs. All of the combs serve a purpose, and it's definitely going to make or break your install. So make sure you get the combs in and positioned properly so that your wig stays in place.
Once all the combs are positioned, you're gonna want to go ahead and deal with your leave out. I just separate mine in half and then flat iron it with my Babyliss 1-inch flat iron. And I find the best way to blend my hair into extensions is with a bristle brush. So I always use a bristle brush to go ahead and get that blend. In this sort of style, especially with the waves that I'm going for, you have to have face framing layers. So usually with these long wigs, the front is way too long to frame the face. So you're going to want to give yourself some nice long layers, and it's okay. They can be choppy. They don't have to be perfect, but you just want to give yourself some so that the wig has some shape once you curl it. And be sure to grab those edges on the side that will be showing. You want to go ahead and get those a little straight and make sure that you're getting the coverage on the V-part wig that you need. So I just started taking small sections, starting at the back, working my way to the front. I went ahead and just detangled it and used my crimping iron on the highest setting to go ahead and create the waves that I was going for. I'm always sure to add hairspray before I start curling and after I'm done curling. That's the best way to ensure that your curls or your waves will last. If you guys aren't a fan of hairspray, I totally get it, but you will definitely be curling this hair on the daily, and I was not about to do that. When I use hairspray before and after I curl, my curls literally last for days. As I'm sure you guys can see, crimping your hair and using this wave curling iron, it's going to take some time. It's absolutely a labor of love, but they do come out beautiful. So I would dare say it's worth it, but it's definitely going to take you some time, y'all. So one side is done. I'm definitely going to do the other side off camera because, yeah, it's just too much. But I'm going to come back and give you guys my final thoughts. And of course, more hairspray. I'm nothing if I'm not a hairspray lover, you guys. I just love it. I think I just like spraying it. I like the motion of it, but I like the effect too because it does make your hair last. And now that all that's done, let's get this face together. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair and would absolutely recommend it. Definitely check the description box down below for links and a coupon code to go ahead and check this hair out on INCOLOR's website. This is my first time working with them, but I absolutely love this unit. So definitely check the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.